Me and Bentley listening to the coyotes. Can you hear them out there, Bentley? He says, what's that, a doggy? No, that's not a doggy. Those aren't dogs. Kitty's a little bit upset. Bentley, you gonna let those coyotes be in our yard? Hmm? You're gonna let them be in our yard. Can't really see anything. Maybe you can hear. Ay, 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 ay. Yeah, you can hear them all right. They're really close by. Bentley's not too sure he likes this. No, he's not too sure. He's kind of upset. How come there's a coyote in the yard? What's Benny doing? It's pretty loud. Oh, listen to that. Wow. I realize this is not a very interesting visual thing, but yeah, I'm getting ready for bed. Bentley. Bentley says, what's going on here? What's going on? Bentley's real upset. And a coyote out there. You hear these guys a lot, and it doesn't matter what season, summer or winter, they're always out there. They get together and they have a howl and a bark. It goes on quite long. Oh. Oh. I'm not sure if this is picking it up or not, so I keep turning it. Yeah. What do you think, Bentley? What do you think about this? Bentley! Bentley! He says, I'm not too happy. I'm not too happy. I'm gonna have to close that window. Yeah. They won't get in. Don't worry. Here, you move back. They won't get in. Aww. He's gonna guard the house. Aren't you, Bentley?